What's up, guys? Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the New Age Wall Street. Um, thank God it's Friday live stream. We do this every Friday, where we make a pre-market plan and then we trade live together, go over technical analysis, and we also just shoot the shit, just have a good time, and to end the trading week. It's always nice to have good people, good community around us to oh man, I didn't switch the damn thing. So it's always good to have good community, good people around us um, to trade with and everything. So um, yeah, we do this every Friday. If you guys want to come trade with us, um, we make a pre-market plan and we go over the tickers for the day, and then we also trade live about an hour into the open. Um, Also, so a couple things, just real quick. If you could just make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the video, it definitely means a lot. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, so then we can help out other traders that are looking for awesome community to trade with. And um, I forgot what else I was gonna say. Oh, so I'm not really feeling too hot today, guys. I got a huge migraine. Just kind of feel nauseous and stuff. So I'm gonna probably be taking it a little bit easy, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Um, I may not take a trade. We'll see. If anything actually absolutely sets up. Um, if I see something that's pretty blatant, I'll take it. I'm only probably going to be trading, extra small size, just to make sure that I'm offsetting in the way that I'm feeling. So I may just trade really quick and then go take a nap and then come back, a little bit later. We'll see, but I definitely don't feel good. I've been spending too much time behind the screens, I believe. So we'll go ahead and jump in here, guys. I appreciate it. All right. Move this over here so I could see it. All right. So the chat that you guys are seeing is actually my live inside the live room, so you get to like actually experience the people that are in there, the overall vibes and whatnot. We definitely got an awesome group of guys trading with us, and yeah. So let me just pull up my charts and we'll get going. All right. Um, so far right here, guys, we're looking at. Let me turn on my voice. All right, you guys can hear me over here now, right? So um, on this side here for the spy, I can't even talk right. That's how much. I just took like 600 milligrams of ibuprofen too, so we'll see how it kicks in here in a little bit. Um, but looking here, guys, on the spy, this was a pretty fucked up move that we had yesterday at the end of the day. Luckily, I caught the downside, so I caught the downside, and then it just kind of grinded up the rest of the day, and then the last couple minutes went up into this resistance, and that was pretty nuts. So as of right now, we're holding this support. We have a little bit of confluence here of the fib line here, and then also the close from the prior day. So that'll definitely help. That'll definitely help there with the support. If we dip down, right, so I'm looking for either a dip to hold here around the 281, or if we go back out um, a little bit further about this I could see us getting it here to like 279 or so, 279.52. So that little dip would be nice, and then the grind up for the rest of the day. The last couple of Fridays have been pretty bullish, so the, don't think they like leaving the market like in the red over the weekend. So, um, so it gets so what it would be looking for at least at the end of the day to get a pretty good push in there. Alberto, good morning, bro. Um, Also, so I have a swing on right now, guys, for what do you call it? W. So Wayfair. My thesis on this was just it was way extended. I mean, it started off as a pretty nice short squeeze down here at about 20, 18, $20, and then it just went crazy up to 200, and then obviously 200 is big resistance there in that area. Um, then we started pulling away from there. So once I say it pulled away, and then we got a pop here to 190, and then 180 the next day. I think we're pretty good here for the swing for it to come down. So, uh, if you go out and we look on a further time frame, we have this big ass gap here that the price action is going to want to fill. So if we get down toward here towards 130 or so, that would be absolutely awesome on it. So I have Wayfair puts on there as well. Um, um, Other than that, guys, just gonna be playing. Probably, I think Tesla's gonna get going pretty good if we stay bullish today. So if we look at Tesla, so this one actually followed the market really well yesterday. So we had the dip, right, and then it just grinded up the rest of the day. So I do believe if we hold above 800 again, we get over 800, we'll push probably towards more 820 or so. Um, AMD, I know a lot of my guys like playing AMD. One second, let me fix this. Okay. So AMD yesterday, guys, it's following the market pretty well as well. So it held here and then just kind of grinded up the rest of the day. And right now we have this dip down. But if the market gets going here and it has this support, then you look for that dip in support and for it to take off as well. So obviously, like I always say, I like to wait my 10 minutes after the bell. Actually, I'll turn on my timer right now. Um, I wait 10 minutes after the bell in order for me to be able to take a trade. Just helps me with identifying trend direction and mitigates my risk. I definitely think it helps out a lot. So um, then, let me see here. What else are we looking at, boys? VXRT. You know which one is actually looking pretty good, guys? Is we're kind of missed, and then we were talking about it in the middle of the week. Is Square. So Square had this, kind of sideways action, and then it broke up, and so now it's above it. We could definitely get going on Square some more. The other one was we are looking at BY or not BYD. Uh, Teledog, TDOC. So that this one had an awesome day the other day, and then it's kind of pulled back, but it's back here at support. So at this top level right here, so it's holding, and then so about 175 if we hold and curl back up, so it would be another good spot. Um, but yeah, there's that, and then uh, GLD. So this is the people that are making the coronavirus stuff. Um, Dude, this is about to break out right here above 165 or so. So um, we're getting towards like all-time highs. If we break above 165, it would be a good place on a breakout type play. Um, I don't see too much news for it or anything, but yeah, if it stays bullish here, and gets over 165 or so, then absolutely. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so we still have a little bit of room to 163 to 165, and for it to continue going. So, just watch that level though. Like if they start rejecting that level, then go ahead and either look the other way or get out. BYND. BYND has actually been showing a lot of strength through the last few days where the market kind of pulled back. I really like this here if we could stay above 130. Where is it at right now? Yeah, 134. So if we could stay above 130-ish or so, um, I would say like this fib line here, 133, if not right here, 131, but definitely above the this support um, for it to actually run pretty well. So pretty well up. So we'll see. See if the market right now doesn't actually just break this. And I don't think it will. I don't think it'll just break the support. We may get a little bit lower, like I said, 279 or so, 280, but then some chop and then recovery for it to go up. If you're new to the stream, guys, leave me a comment, say good morning, say what's up. Don't be a fucking creep. um, G, good morning, bro. But yeah, so basically looking at that there. So I may just manage my Wayfair trade. Like I said, you guys know I like Amazon on Fridays. So if Amazon starts, Amazon is actually a really nice setup right here, guys. So if I look at it on a bigger scale. So we just have this sideways action right here and kind of this ascending triangle. So if we get over 2400 again and then 2425, we'll see some breakout here to the upside. So that would be pretty cool if we could do that. So what up, bro? Where did you guys get the money bag freaking emoji things? What up, bro? Good morning, Chris. You have any tickers you want to go over? Anything, bro? Oh, really? Oh, mine don't. Mine don't work for whatever reason. JB, do you want to go to Israel again? I'll go to Israel, bro. One second, guys. Yeah, I don't see anything else bringing. Cool, Chris. Awesome, bro. Nice to have you here. Oh, you're doing it on a phone. That's why, bro. No wonder, bro. Like I'm over here typing all stupid on a fucking keyboard. Richard, Eric. Good morning, guys. Dab. Good morning. Did you check out? Did you keep your Wayfair puts, Dab? Good question, Chris. So that's what I was talking about. Is that as of lately, I've been waiting 10 minutes and then I take my trade, just to get the sentiment. And usually the second move is bigger than the first move. So so that's the way I've been doing it as of lately. Um, I do have setups. So like one called the dip and rip, where you dip down to support really quick on quick down to support at the open at the bell, and then just catch it really quick, and then for the ride up. Um, so so yeah, that's a good question, dude. I do have that set up, but the market has to be really it has to be really bullish um, for it to work really well. Dude, I got mine too. Dab. I kept mine overnight too, so I'm pretty pumped about my Wayfair, bro. It says you wrote something on the chat, Mike, but I can't. It says message retracted. I don't know. Yeah, dude, I was a little bit scared, bro. I was a little bit scared on that W, bro. I was like, it's gonna fucking just run up, take out 200, and even what's it called? Dab, dude, I can't even think straight. So Dab was saying he's like, we're gonna gap up and it's gonna be over 200 tomorrow. But it showed some pretty good weakness all day yesterday, so I felt pretty good about it. Oh, BYND, do we went over BYND, right? Yeah, we went over BYND. In that order, I like Amazon today, bro. Bro, right over 2400. All right, guys. Everyone stay safe. Mind your risk. Got like a minute 30 to the bell. Make sure you're always taking profits, nail and bill. Um, I'll put Apple right here, bro. Uh, that's I don't anticipate it there, Chris. I react. So Chris is asking if everything is lower than the previous close, or am I anticipating a move up or down for overall trend? In my opinion, so like Ahmed, what up, bro? Um, I think on Fridays, we've been generally bullish. So, but I mean, I'm just gonna react to the price action. That's why I that's why I wait that 10 minutes in order for me to see the trend going, bro. Excuse me. This Wayfair moves like shit, bro. To be honest. The spread is like pretty big on it too. SRNE. Oh, there we go, dude. See if we get this dip down here to 389 in SRNE, bro. What up, bro? Good morning.
AMCN 2,430 calls. May 29th, 2020. SLB 16 calls. June 12th, 2020. 2,500 AAPL 307 puts. May 22nd, 2020. 1,047 contracts.
On Amazon, guys, I'm watching it for it to break green right here.
Mark 32 calls. May 15th,
So at
2020. 500 contracts.
2388. Sorry, it's so loud. On which ticket there, Andrew?
May 22nd, 2020. 500 contracts.
Uh, no. Oh yeah, MU was really strong yesterday. Med, good morning, bro.
QCOM 80 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 412 contracts. AG 10 calls. October 16th, 2020. 500 contracts.
All right, so I'm ready for my timer to go off. I'm liking
212
liking this pullback here on Tesla where it came back and held 788. So let me pull that up here in a second.
July 17, 2020. 934 contracts.
You could just actually play this buy. The 2388, I wanted it to, on the Amazon there, Chris, I wanted to hold above 2370, like around here, this level, the low a day, and for it to come up and break green. So I'm being patient though. My timer hasn't gone off. I got a few more minutes. For 3-4 minutes. Word of the day, patience, bro. It's the word of my life. You see how it's rejecting right here? You rejected it right there, Chris. Yeah, I have my W up, bro. It's a piece of shit. What strike do you have on W, bro?
551 GE. 5 puts.
One.
July 17,
Me too.
2020. 536 contracts.
Did you get in on that Apple right at the open there, Chris? Or I mean, I can't believe. I read Chris's name and then I meant Richard.
4,890 contracts.
I missed the entry on Tesla.
31 calls. May 29, 2020. 400 and GSX. 30 puts. June 19, 2020.
Here we go on Amazon right here, guys.
502 contracts. JPM. 87 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 273 contracts.
I didn't see who just came in. Hey, what's up there, bro? Yeah, if you want me to go any over any Twitter or tickers, things like that, let me know. Dude, I'm really fucked up today.
G. 5 puts. July 17, 2020. 1,000 contracts.
It's a nice strong candle so far here on the SPY, guys, right here.
SRNE.
Oh, there we go.
7 calls. June 19, 2020. 618 contracts. DBX. 22 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 307 contracts.
Amazon actually having trouble up here towards 2380, guys, so may have to go grab puts instead.
Snap.
If it starts
17
breaking
calls.
below this
May
2370 or so.
22nd, 2020. 577 contracts.
And there it goes. Oh, it's still trying to hold.
Baba. 215 calls. May 29th, 2020. 279 contracts. TWTR. 30 calls.
Oh, I like this right here on Apple
400
Richard.
TGIF.
The sideways right
40
here.
calls. June 19th, 2020. 592 IWL. 127 calls. May 22nd, 2020. Snap. 17 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 630 VA. 123 calls.
Netflix is actually going down.
2020.
Just like the consolidation sideways right here, bro, after that push. So if it holds above the T3 right here on at 302.18 or so.
100 BIDU.
Oh, damn,
96
Pedro.
calls. May 15th, 2020. 290 F4 puts. December 18th, 2020. 696 contracts.
I like it, bro. It's showing some support here at around 302.16 for it to curl back up and go up.
WMT. 130 calls. June 19th, 2020. 522 contracts.
Liking this play here so far in Amazon, guys. It's still holding here in the same area. So I'm just waiting here to get some confirmation. So and then we have the counter dots that are starting to come in right here. Apple put flow.
FCEL. 2 calls. June 19th, 2020. 500 contracts. XLU. 56 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 4,700 contracts.
Alright, so I got some Tesla right here, guys, based off of this, where it dipped down here to this fib line and started pulling away for it. The goal is to break above. There it goes, over 800. Bam, dude. Good, Mike. I'm glad, bro.
May 29th, 2020. 337 contracts.
$283.20.
LRCX. 280 calls. May 29th, 2020. 101 contracts.
Still holding my Tesla, guys. And I don't think Amazon got the memo today. It might not get going today. I might get Netflix the other way right here, Pedro.
NEWR. 50 calls. June 19th, 2020. 140. JD. 53 calls. May 29th, 2020. 650 DBX. 22 calls. May 15th, 2020. 500 contracts. CM. 170 calls. June 19th, 2020. 673 contracts.
Good morning, guys. You guys on YouTube? I woke up with a huge migraine from spending too much time behind the screens. I got like a new program that tints the screens, like it dims them and makes them a little bit more bronze. So that should help out a lot. But um, being really, if I'm not speaking much, that's kind of the reason why. So um, just being patient. The 798 is hardest resistance here on Tesla. Guys, we'll see if we may have to go the other way.
Work. 35 calls. June 19th,
Coffee,
2020.
some caffeine, probably, bro.
553
I took
contracts.
some ibuprofen here a little bit ago.
WBA. 39 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 506. Work. 34 calls. June 19th, 2020. 521 contracts.
Barely here. What do you mean, like on Twitter, or I mean on YouTube, or like on here, bro? Um, could everyone else hear me pretty well? Sorry, I put the microphone more in front of me, dude. So, oh, okay. All right, cool.
TWTR. 29 calls.
Oh, hey guys,
June 5th,
Armando,
2020.
John, what up, guys? If you guys are want to go over any tickers, anything like that, let me know. We'll go over them. I'm currently in Tesla right now, trying to break this 798 right here. So we're getting these higher lows, but if we go up and test again and we don't break again, I'll just get out.
CM. 195 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 200 CM. 195
Ah, Zoom.
calls. May 22nd, 2020. 200 CM. 195 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 258 contracts.
It's already, I was a little bit late there on the Zoom. Yeah, I like it too here. Richard, it's showing really good. If it breaks, though, fucking screwed. Trying to get it to go up, dude. I like the, so even on the 5 minute chart, we have the counter dots on it. So the 5 minute chart, we have counters right here. But it's not really doing anything, even though the market's trying to go up. So
TWTR. 29 calls. May 15th, 2020. 500 and TWTR.
there we go. Finally broke here on Tesla, guys.
29 calls. May 15th, 2020. 516 contracts.
Is that Tesla, Pedro? Thank you, dude. Trying to get to 800 here, bro, but I don't
17
know.
calls. May 22nd, 2020. 1,039 contracts.
I wish I had Zoom on my screen at the open, bro.
TWTR. 31 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 300 in SFIX. 19 calls. May 22nd.
Amazon trying to make that move right here, Richard. There we go.
SFIX. 19 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 400 contracts.
I sold most of my Tesla right here at 800, guys, per plan. I'll trail the rest, all right?
MDV.
Yeah, Marndo.
Calls.
Richard is saying that too. That he keeps on seeing
213
puts on Apple.
May 22nd, 2020.
Calls for Zoom. Calls for Zoom on Mike.
200 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 246 contracts. SFIX. 19 calls. May 22nd.
Yeah, this 284 is a pretty big level right here,
16
Andrew.
contracts.
So as long as it stays above 284, I believe we'll be pretty good, dude. We may chop around like that though.
18 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 2,000 contracts. Shop. 795 calls. May 15th, 2020. 290 contracts. Pins. 18 calls.
I use Fibonacci extensions, and I don't think it's at all-time highs as of yet. I don't think.
Pins. 18 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 899 contracts.
Oh, it actually is, or is it? No, it's not. All-time high is 181.50, dude.
Pins.
So next spot, would probably be 177, 177.40 or so.
400 contracts. TWTR. 33 calls.
There's no volume in
May
it, dude. There's no
29,
volume in
2020.
Amazon.
300 AZN. 56 calls. June 26, 2020. 628 contracts. CM. 195 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 224 contracts.
On the SPY, I haven't heard any really SPY flow as of yet, bro. Well, I mean lately, right now. Yeah, there actually isn't, dude. All of it. This is from yesterday.
TWLO. 200 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 308 pins. 18 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 619 contracts. TSLA. 920 calls.
If it doesn't, you'll cash out and have a regular day. That's funny, dude.
300
Netflix right here, guys. If you're looking at Netflix,
May 22nd, 2020. 400 contracts.
so I like the support where it came up. So it's like a little cup handle. See if we get a break up here to come back green on Netflix, guys. It's holding on the fib and T3 though too. So if it holds 440, this may be a good play. I'm gonna keep it up here to the side.
562 WMT. 120 calls.
Walmart getting a lot of play today, dude.
2020. 199 contracts. WMT. 120 calls. May 20.
So I only stream on Fridays. So I only stream on Fridays on YouTube. The other times I actually have my my room, my membership room, and I'm streaming to them exclusively. Thank you for subscribing, by the way, bro. I appreciate it.
TWLO.
I'm selling the last of my Tesla right here, guys. So it just it may keep on going, but like I said, I'm not gonna go crazy today. I want this Amazon to get going, dude. Someone needs to give it a kickstart. Yeah, I'm in Amazon too, bro. So right now my positions are I'm got calls on Amazon. I have puts from a swing on Wayfair, which those are doing pretty nice. This thing moves slower than a fucking turtle, but we needed to break below this level around right here on Wayfair. So
Down. 20 calls. May 29.
there we go. Amazon.
583 contracts. CD. 5 calls. June 19, 2020. 590 contracts.
Ooh, and I sold my Tesla perfect right there, dude. Sniffed out that
212
wash.
May 29th, 2020. 200 and TWLO. 200 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 166 contracts. SFIX. 19 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 212. GDX. 38 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 1060. AMD. 53 puts. May 22nd, 2020. 500 contracts. TWTR. 29 calls. May 15th, 2020. 550 contracts.
Are there certain tickers that you guys like playing, like all the time? Armando, John, Chris, if you guys are still right there.
JWM. 16 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 567 contracts. Pins. 18 calls. May 22nd, 2020.
Yeah, I may just stay range bound, bro.
299 contracts.
Kind of sucks.
EFA. 49 puts. July 17th, 2020. 6,100 pins. 18 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 506 contracts. NVDA. 315 calls. August 21st, 2020. 157 contracts.
Might turn around and get some puts here on Tesla right here, dude. 795. So puts on Tesla right here, 795s. There we go. I wanted to break that right here where we're at, 795.46. There we go. I feel like the bottom's gonna,
9 calls.
yeah, dude, I hate ranging stuff as well.
2020. 1012
Cool, Armando.
contracts.
Where are you from, bro? And Wayfair is trying to screw me too. I'm getting puts on Amazon, dude. I'm anticipating the break here below. So I stopped out of my calls and I grabbed inputs on Amazon. Chicago, awesome, bro.
Viewer. 32 puts. June 19th.
It's still fucking holding, bro.
641 M5 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 594 contracts. JWN. 16 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 594.
Yeah, I have both of them. So 1 minute, 5 minute chart up so far.
JWN. 16 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 567 contracts.
I sold my Wayfair for a scratch right here, Deb.
M8 calls. August 21st, 2020. 820 contracts. NY. 65 calls. June 19, 2020.
Just hope you don't get no bad news there, Andrew.
Contracts. Pins. 18 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 401 contracts. DKNG.
Looking at Netflix right here, guys, as well. So like so we had the support, it came down, and then now it's trying to push red to green. See if we could get some momentum here.
TSLA. 800
Dude,
calls.
fuck Wayfarer, bro. That was a fucked up move.
2020.
I'm glad I got out.
6 contracts.
I'm from I live in Albuquerque right now, bro. Albuquerque, New Mexico.
DKNG. 30 calls. August 21st, 2020. 200 contracts. DKNG. 30 calls. August 21st, 2020. 201 DKNG. 30 calls. August 21st, 2020. 200 contracts.
What do you mean it's stopping?
June 19, 2020. 56 contracts.
Look at that candle on the SPY. Oh no. So it does well it does that. Thinkorswim does that every once in a while, bro, but it shouldn't do that.
AEO. 8 calls. May 29th, 2020. 555 contracts. AEO. 8 calls. May 29th, 2020. 760. AEO. 8 calls.
What's AEO?
May 29th, 2020. 542 contracts.
American Eagle?
BCRX. 6 calls. June 19, 2020. 987 contracts.
Yeah, dude. Let's see what happens right here. Like,
Love. 25 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 1000 contracts. AVA. 10 calls. January 15th, 2021. 716 contracts.
good, bro. Glad for you. You're in one, two, three, four, five positions. I think we're breaking down to the downside here on Amazon, guys.
June 19th, 2020. 384 contracts. XOM. 44 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 804 contracts. PD 35 calls. August 21st, 2020. 588 contracts.
All right, guys. I'm still in my I'm still in some Tesla right here, guys.
240
I'm
calls.
waiting on my Amazon.
July 17th,
And I'm just gonna
2020.
let it play out, so we're still within that
304
range.
hits.
But I'm gonna set some alerts
205 hits.
and make some
July
breakfast. See how
17th,
I feel. See if I feel a
2020.
little bit better, right?
219 contracts.
Do you guys have any questions or anything before I go on YouTube? I'm gonna stay here on the Discord. I'll stay here for you guys here in the Discord, but no, not anything. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and head out. We'll see you guys on Sunday if you guys want to come hang out for the Sunday Stockcast. On Sunday at 8 p.m. market time, we'll go over tickers for the week and just some technical analysis and things like that. So if you guys want to come hang out, um, and then um, and then we'll be back next Friday if you guys want to come. I promise. I promise. I'll do everything I can to feel better next Friday. It'll be a lot more entertaining, and we'll go from there. All right. See you guys next time.
CPRI. 15 calls. June 19th, 2020. 800 contracts.